Welcome back to Money with Sofia, where we turn AI into income and build simple online businesses. Have you ever wanted to sell a digital product online but had no idea where to start? Maybe you think you need special skills, or a big audience, or weeks of work just to create something people actually want. But the truth is, AI has made this process easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a simple digital product using AI and how to start selling it online, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get into it. The first step is choosing the right digital product. The easiest products for beginners are things that solve a small problem. This could be an ebook, a guide, templates, planners, checklists, or AI prompt packs. You don't need to create something huge. Simple products often sell best. The second step is choosing a topic people actually want. The easiest way to do this is by picking something people are already searching for. Topics like making money online, budgeting, productivity, fitness, meal planning, or social media tend to work well. A good digital product solves a specific problem. The more useful it is, the better. The third step is using AI to create the content. This is where tools like Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT can save you hours of work. You can use AI to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and generate content faster. For example, if you want to create a guide, AI can help structure the information step by step. You still want to personalize and improve it, but AI makes the process much easier. The fourth step is designing your product. You don't need advanced design skills. Tools like Canva make it easy to create clean and professional-looking ebooks, templates, and guides. Keep the design simple. Most successful digital products focus more on solving problems than looking fancy. The fifth step is pricing your product. Many beginners overthink this part. Your first product does not need to be expensive. Sometimes a lower-priced product works better because it helps build trust. The goal in the beginning is learning what people actually want. The sixth step is choosing where to sell it. Many creators use platforms like Stan Store to sell digital products directly online. This makes it easy to create a simple store and start selling quickly. You can also sell through social media, YouTube, or email lists. The seventh step is creating content around your product. This is where many people miss a huge opportunity. You don't just create a product and hope people find it. Instead, create simple content around the problem your product solves. You can post videos, short tips, or faceless content. This helps bring traffic over time. And thanks to AI, creating content has never been easier. Here's the truth. Your first digital product will probably not be perfect. And that's okay. Most successful creators improve as they go. The important thing is getting started. A simple product that helps people is better than a perfect product that never gets finished. If you want more simple ways to make money with AI, make sure to subscribe. And check the link below for tools and resources to get started.